Come to in front of me Nokia X20 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first you should go here into the settings application and then click here to the styles and wallpaper. Now just click here to change wallpaper and select the new wallpaper from your device default wallpaper. So for example your device photos or downloaded from the internet, for example. So we can go here to one from these folders with the wallpapers. Click here. Here we can just change the position of this wallpaper, and here just click to lock screen, then click here on the right down corner and tap to lock screen and again. Wait a second, and now you can see that we just successfully changed our device lock screen wallpaper. And also we got the second way how we can do that. You just should hold for a while your device screen, and here you'll see the wallpaper and style. So click here, and now just by the same way we can change from our device wallpaper. If you got some photos, just by the same way we can go, for example, to this folder and select one from these available wallpapers, for example this one. So click here again to the lock screen, just change the position, the section, and tap to lock screen again, and that's it. So as can you see, that's really simple. So good, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.